My name is Moya Carey and I'm curator of the Islamic collections at Chester Beatty. And I'm interested in albums and how they gather together artworks page by page. So albums have been owned by art lovers across West Asia for many centuries, and they gather together all sorts of artworks. They offer a book format in which to store your art collection. At Chester Beatty, we have different examples from India, from Turkey, where these examples are from, and from Iran. The Persian word for album is muraka, and this can have the meaning of the patched cloak of a Sufi mystic. And that gives us the idea that an album would be something that organises small things patched together and giving a new meaning to that combination, something useful, something important. Inside every album are works on paper, and this is a collage of different elements, and those elements might be poetry, script, images, perhaps prints, perhaps drawings, perhaps paintings, designs, all organised together, all organised usually on a nice page with some interesting borders and in a book format with a beautiful cover perhaps. But all of these options very much depend on the owner. What do they like? What do they want? What's in their art collection? And this is where we see the personality of every album. So the owner of the album could be an emperor, could be a Mughal emperor in India, with a court librarian to do all the organising, or it could be somebody, a private citizen perhaps, probably still quite wealthy, but slightly smaller budget. And then we see that there's actually a wide social range between the people who could and would like to own an album.